Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Motorola Moto E32s with your laptop or PC for the file transfer. And to do this you'll need to get the USB cable with USB-C end, plug it into your phone. On the other side we have USB, you might as well get USB-C depending on what port you have on your PC or laptop. Now let's connect it to our desktop device and unlock the Motorola. Scroll down notification bar and here you can see charging this device using USB. Reveal it, click on it, then select the file transfer. You can now go for your PC or laptop and open File Explorer, enter this PC and locate Moto E32s, double click on it, then go for internal storage. From here you can copy and paste any files. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.